Hi, my name is Dr. Judy Okun, and I'm here to show you the nuances of cleaning your teeth. When you brush your teeth, you can brush the front, the back, the top, but you can't move your teeth apart to be able to brush between. That's what dental floss is for. So when you floss, you take the piece of floss that's big enough to go shoulder to shoulder, you wrap it on your third finger on each hand so you're nice and close to each other, and hold it between your pointer and thumb a short distance apart from each other. Then you're going to take that floss and you're going to shoe shine down between two teeth, wrap both sides of the floss around the same tooth, rub that tooth surface like you're shining a shoe all the way down under the gum and back up, and then the other surface down under the gum and back up. You're not just snapping straight in, that just takes food out, that does not remove the bacteria from the side of the teeth. You're not going around the back of the teeth because the floss does not touch that surface. It's a concave surface and the floss is straight. And you are not putting one forward, one back. You are actually wrapping the tooth surface. When you get to the bottom, don't go straight across to the other side. You'll lop off a piece of gum. If you have difficulty with a straight piece of floss, use a floss aid. You shoe shine down between the teeth like you're sawing, wrap both sides of the floss around the same tooth by pulling toward that side, and rub that surface up and down, push toward the other side, and rub up and down. If you were doing it with braces, you're using the skinny end under the wire. With braces, you also want to brush under the gum with a small brush that brushes one tooth and the other tooth. You're not just popping in and out, you're actually brushing the tooth and the gum, and you're changing direction as you go. If you use a waterpik, you don't need to use floss, you still need to use the small brush. Without braces, you go up around each tooth to the gum line. And with braces, you go over every tooth, along the wire, down between every two teeth. And when you have a palatal expansion appliance, you also go over the top of the expander by going down the front, down the middle, and down the sides. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, call us at Okun Orthodontics, 914-253-0722.